Sweetie Belle's, ta-da! It's my new cake party. This is the story of Sweetie Belle's, ta-da! It's my new cake party. It was a beautiful day and the ponies were in the park. They were coloring pictures of cakes they would like to make for a party. I would have a crispy coconut, Cheerilee said. And I'd have ribbons of rainbow berries, Rainbow Dash added. Just then, Scootaloo and I joined them. Hi, everybody, we said. What are you coloring? Oh, just our favorite ideas for the yummiest cake ever, they answered, holding up their pictures. Oh, so you're getting ready for Sweetie Belle's, ta-da, it's my new cake party, I said. Wow, they look yummy, I said. You should show them to Sweetie Belle. She's been trying and trying to come up with the perfect cake for the party tonight. Let's go see if we can help, I said, and we ran to the sweet shop. When we arrived at Sweetie Belle's shop, Scootaloo asked, How's the bacon shaking? Not so good, Sweetie Belle said. I've been up all night looking through recipes for my ta-da, it's my new cake party. I can't find one that's extra special enough. All I have so far is a big, boring bowl of beige batter. Beige? Not where we're here, we shouted, as we showed Sweetie Belle our cake pictures. Well, they all look scrumpalicious, Sweetie said. But it's kind of important to follow directions when you bake. But we didn't listen. We were all too busy adding our own favorite things to the big bowl of batter. When we were finished, Cheerilee put the bowl into the oven. As the cake baked, it got bigger and bigger and bigger. Oops, this page doesn't want to stay down. Finally, when it was done, the oven door popped open and the cake flew out and landed on the floor right in front of us. Sweetie Belle walked over to the cake, raised her fork, and bravely announced, All right, I'll taste it first. As she tasted the cake, we all had so many questions. Can you taste the rainbow berries? Can you taste the chocolate chips? Can you taste the carrots? Can you taste the coconut? Then I had to know, can you taste the pink sprinkles? I asked. Well, it's different, she said. We all took a great big bite. Ew! It tasted awful. We realized we should have listened to Sweetie Belle. Sweetie Belle, we're sorry, I said. We just wanted to help you make an extra special cake for your party tonight. I know, she replied. So now we all know that following directions is a good thing. And that mixing rainbow berries, chocolate chips, coconut, carrots, pink sprinkles, and lemons all together is not, Scootaloo laughed. I have an idea, Sweetie Belle said, but I'm going to need lots of help. We all agreed to try again, but this time we followed Sweetie Belle's directions and measured each ingredient before we put it into the bowl. Of course, we tasted our favorite ingredients. Everything looked so good. When we finished, we all stopped to admire our work. It was hard to believe how beautiful it turned out. "Sweetie Belle," I exclaimed, "you did it!" "No," she said, "we did it. I never could have done it without help from all of my friends." "So, is everyone ready for my ta-da, it's my new cake party?" Sweetie Belle asked. I think I'm kind of full right now, Sweetie Belle," I said. "Yeah," the rest agreed. "We couldn't eat another bite." Sweetie Belle looked disappointed. "I think tomorrow we can have your ta-da, it's my new cake party," I said. "I think today we just had your let's all make and taste and decorate." And taste, and taste, and taste a delicious cake, then have a nap because we're so full we can't taste another bite of cake party. Then we had a good yawn, a stretch before heading home for a nice nap. The end.